Hey, what's up YouTube? It's iPod 24/7 Help here today, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to activate and jailbreak your iOS 5.0 Beta 3 device and how to actually fully activate it with the notification center and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So to actually get the iOS 5 beta, I'm going to have all the links down below for your respective device, the firmware, and of course iTunes 10.5 beta 3 right here. It's going to be all in the link down below, so check that out. So when you're actually going to go ahead and go into iTunes to restore your device, I recommend you guys just put your device into DFU mode. That's holding the power button and home button for 10 seconds and then let go of the power button and keep holding for 5 seconds. And after you're done that, shift and left click on the restore button and browse your the firmware 5.0 and then restore your device. Now after you're done, I'm actually using an iPod Touch 4th generation right here, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the rest of what you have to do. So you're gonna have to download these following programs. Again, the links are gonna be down below. Right here you need an iPhone browser, iPod 4 or whatever device you have, and its firmware, and a Red Snow 0.9.8 beta 3, and of course iTunes 10.5 beta 3 also. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and open up Red Snow right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and open up the file right there, click run and browse my firmware. So it should be on your desktop. It's better to save everything on your desktop. Click open right like that. And then right now it's processing the firmware right here. It identified it. I'm going to click next. So it's patching, it's just doing all the stuff, and you're just going to select install Cydia for right now, and I'm going to click next. And I'm going to put my camera down for a second. I'm going to turn off my iPod. So now it's turned off, guys, and I'm going to click next, and now I'm putting it in DFU mode. I'm holding the power button, now the home button, just like that, and there's directions up top if you don't know what DFU mode is, and then let go of the power button and just keep holding the home button just like that for 15 seconds. So there we go, and it's doing its stuff right there, as you can see. And I'm gonna go ahead and return to you guys as soon as this guy's done jailbreaking. So it's finally done, guys, and now you're gonna have to go ahead and re-jailbreak it again. So you're gonna click on the Red Snow folder and then open it up, click run and browse. It's the same procedure, just browse your firmware again, and it's processing. It identified it, click next, and right now it's patching the kernel. And now instead of doing the install Cydia, you're gonna hit the just boot tethered right now. So you're gonna go ahead and just click the just boot tethered right now right here, click next, and now I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my device right now. So it's done. My iPod turned off. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the camera down so I can put it into DFU mode. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and hit next. So there it goes. Exploding with lime rain right there. And again, I'll be back with you guys after the jailbreak is finished. So it's finished its jailbreaking process. So now you this is where the iPhone browser app program goes in use. So you're gonna go ahead and open up the iPhone browser. Now your device is now jailbroken, so you can go into all the you can open it by the root. So you're gonna go ahead and open up, I'm going to put the camera closer so you can see that, guys. You're gonna open up System. Then after you opened up, you're gonna open up System and then click on Library. And then after this is done loading, you're gonna click Core Services. So just let it load. So you're gonna click Core Services, and right here it should display all the settings in Core Services. So right here, system version .plist, you're gonna go ahead and right click that. You're gonna right click that and click Save As, and save it to your desktop and just name it System Version. Click Save, and now it's right here. So now after you're done that, you're gonna go on your start menu and just right click on your notepad and click Run as an administrator, and then just gonna open this up. Just close that. So now you're gonna go ahead and open up the note you have saved right here. So here's the full note. Now you're gonna scroll all the way down and you're gonna delete it from right here. You're gonna need to delete this from this arrow pointing right. You're gonna delete it all. The string, you're gonna delete the string, beta string, key release key. So if I can get that highlighted, I always had a problem with this step. String, right there. So you're just gonna hit the delete key and just delete it, and there we go. And now you're gonna go ahead and click File, Save, and you're gonna just close this window out. And now you're gonna actually go back to the iPhone browser, and you're gonna right click and go as and click replace file right there. And you're gonna of course go to your desktop again and hit the system version right here and click open, and it just replaced the file. So now you're gonna exit that out, and now you're gonna go ahead and jailbreak it one more time. So you're gonna open up Red Snow, same procedure. So browse, open up the firmware, hit open, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my device as I speak. So there we go, and right here it has identified it. So I'm gonna just put the camera a little back more and click next. So it's doing its procedure. So this time you're actually gonna hit just boot tethered right now again. So you're gonna go ahead and hit just boot tethered right now and click next, and make sure your device is powered down again. So I'm gonna set my camera down just like that, and take my iPod right here and hit next and put it into DFU mode. So it's finished putting it into DFU mode, and just let it do its stuff one more time. This is the last jailbreak you're gonna have to do in this video. So I'm gonna return to you guys once more after it's done its full jailbreaking process. So it's finished jailbreaking, and right here you see the Apple logo, and now your device is fully activated, and that's all you had to do, guys. So right here I'm just gonna show you English, select your country or region. I'm gonna enable my location services, and then you have to type in, it's better to have some Wi-Fi. So I've typed in my password and just click join, so it should connect. Should connect to your Wi-Fi, and then after it's fully connected you hit next, and now it's activating your device. So right here you can see we just bypassed the activation, and right here you can set up as new iPod Touch, restore from iCloud backup, or restore from iTunes. I'm going to go ahead and actually restore from iTunes, and I'm going to come back to you guys after it's actually finished restoring my device right here. So I'm going to come back after it's done. So I'm back, guys, and my iPod finally finished restoring. So now I'm going to continue the process. So it says restore completed. So move the camera like that. I'm gonna hit continue, and right here it has this nice welcoming sign to the Apple ID. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. So I'm done signing in, and right here you have to agree to the terms and conditions. So I'm gonna agree, and now it's verifying the Apple ID, and you will need one to actually get into the iOS 5. And right here, iCloud, you can turn it off and on if you would like. And right here you see this nice transition, and I'm going to click next. And now you can select if you want to back up to iCloud or back up to my computer. I'm going to back up to my computer because you could back up to iCloud anytime you want. So I'm going to click next and find my iPod Touch. It's just to find your iPod Touch if you have lost it. I'm going to click next, and right here you can send diagnostics to Apple to help them improve. You can turn it off and on and just hit next. And now it says thank you, and it's finally fully operating iOS 5. So I'm going to hit start using iPod Touch right there, and now it's fully running iOS 5. Here are my apps I synced back up. So right here you see iMessages, and everything is fully functional. Right here you can see notification center is fully functioning, and in my other one it wouldn't work that well. And right here in this activation video you can see everything fully works. Even right here I want to show you the pictures, how to take a picture. So switch it to pictures. Keep getting the notifications, so switch it to pictures like that, and if you click the volume up button it takes a picture. So I'm going to show you, and right here you can put grid lines on. So I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of my screen. So you saw that. So I just wanted to show you guys that it's fully functional. And so I want to mention one more thing, guys. If you're experiencing some problems with your device, like if you're opening up Safari and it crashes just like that, you can just re-jailbreak it again. Click red snow, and when you open it up, just hit the just boot tethered right now, and after that your device should flow very nicely, and your device again will be jailbroken. So thanks for watching this video, guys, on how to activate and jailbreak your iOS 5 beta 3 device. So thanks for watching again, and peace.